How to stop sharing location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. And then, tap on Location Services at the top. On this page, tap on Share My Location as shown. Over here, make sure that the Share My Location option is turned off. This means that you will no longer be able to share your location with family and friends in Messages and Find My, make personal requests using Siri on HomePod, and use automations in the Home app. Following these steps, you can easily stop sharing location on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.